Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Crystal. From the streets to the screens, GATFest Film Festival 2017 is officially launched. GATFest is the biggest community film festival in the Caribbean, organized by the University of the West Indies Center for Tourism and Policy Research.
I think that the title of the festival, From the Street to the Screen, is perfect. As Professor Ian Boxall mentioned, and as the job and the task that Mr. Tucker is doing in universities in Colombia. A great opportunity for communities to express the important issues that they consider that it has to be in the focus of the society, of the authorities.
GATFest opening night premieres Children of the Incursion, a look at the Tivoli ordeal and its psychosocial impact on children. The festival will run from June 15 to 24. Award-winning actress, New York Times best-selling author and humanitarian Victoria Rowell was on the island for a few days meeting with Minister Olivia Grange, JAMPRO and other high-profile executives to discuss her upcoming comedic drama, The Rich and the Ruthless. The drama was partially filmed last year at the renowned Secrets Resorts and Spas in Montego Bay and pulled from her days on popular soap opera, The Young and the Restless. Victoria earlier this year ended her lawsuit with Sony for what she claimed was failure to hire her. The actress alleged that her outspoken advocacy for African Americans both in front of and behind the camera had cost her her chance to be cast again on the soap. Victoria, who has moved on to produce, write and direct her own show that gives viewers an inside look at how a black actress in Hollywood juggles the red carpet life and real life. Persons in Jamaica and fans of the actress and Young and the Restless could possibly watch the drama on local TV. So the BET Awards nominees list is out and Queen Bee, of course, tops the nominations, all thanks to her blockbuster album Lemonade. Beyoncé is nominated for Best Female R&B Pop Artist, 2 in the Best Collaboration category for Freedom with Kendrick Lamar and Shining with DJ Khaled and husband Jay-Z. Video of the Year for Sorry, for which she is also up as Director of the Year with co-director Khalil Joseph, and the Viewer's Choice Award. She's not done though. Mrs. Carter is also up for the Big Spot Album of the Year with Lemonade. That makes it 7 nods. Other nominees in top categories include her sister, who joins Kehlani, Mary J. Blige and Rihanna for the Best Female R&B Pop Artist. Best Male R&B Pop Artist nominees include Bruno Mars, Chris Brown, The Weeknd, Trey Songz and Usher. In the Best New Artist category, 21 Savage, Cardi B, Chance the Rapper, Khaled and Young M.A. And the Album of the Year category includes 24K Magic from Bruno Mars, For Your Eyes Only by J. Cole, A Seat at the Table by Solange, and Coloring Book from Chance the Rapper. 2017 BET Awards is set for June 25, and by the way, Bruno Mars follows Beyoncé with 5 nods, including Album and Male R&B Pop Artist of the Year. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.
E-Prime brought to you by